So I just got off the phone with Tony and he gave me an idea. He said that I gotta bleed the system first. It's to get rid of the air pocket. So pretty much what I gotta do is turn on the car, turn on the heater, and leave the radiator cap open. And I don't have any more coolant. I use the entire bottle, but I could use water for now. So let's try that. Maybe I should get some more water. Oh, and I need to put my battery back on. All right, let's start her up again. I really hope this is the issue because I do not want to take the freaking head off again. Oh, it's freaking hot inside the car. No smoke is coming from the exhaust. All right, I got more breaking news for you guys. The car's still overheating, and you know me, I like to think it's the worst thing possible. I still think it's the gasket that's bad, but Tony's onto something. So my coolant kept going low, right? I kept squeezing this thing got super hot. And then he told me to check the lower radiator hose, which is this one. And when I touched it, yo, this thing is cold. Like, it even feels empty. This feels, you know, like there's liquid in here, it's full. This is like, what the heck? You know, nothing's pumping through this. So, come to find out, I've never changed my thermostat, and that's what Tony said I should do. He's saying that the thermostat is staying closed and that it's not letting coolant circulate back into the radiator. So it's just sitting there and overheating the engine. So Tony's on the way to go pick up the part and he's gonna be heading over here. I'm gonna go ahead and make enough room so I could go and get the new thermostat in. Yeah. All right, guys, that's another day. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure today, everything for sure is going right. Let me show you what's going on. This is my old thermostat, and pretty much this opens and closes to let coolant into this hose right here, so the coolant can circulate. So since this was stuck closed, what happened was the coolant was staying in the engine and getting really hot. All right, well, I'm gonna put everything together and hopefully everything goes well. I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah. All right, so the lid was on for a long time and the temperature was good for a while, and then it started to go into like the overheating area, and the entire time I was waiting for my radiator fan to come on, but it didn't come on. So these fans didn't come on. Well, wait a minute. Now that I think about it, I replaced the thermostat. So obviously the thermostat isn't opening. So let me touch the second hose. It's cold. So the thermostat is not opening. So that makes me think the reason why the fan isn't coming on is the same reason why the thermostat isn't opening and closing. There's gotta be something that has to do with that isn't working. All right, well, I just got off the phone with Seabass. Seabass is one of my homeboys who knows a lot about cars. He's a mechanic himself, and I always hit him up when it's kind of like a last resort type deal. Well, anyways, I told him what's up. I told him that I changed the thermostat and that it's not opening, closing. I pinned the wires correctly and the radiator fan isn't coming on. So he's thinking that maybe it has something to do with the water pump. Well, anyways, what do you think it could be? I'm pretty confused. Maybe, you know, someone leave a comment down below, tag them in it, or, you know, share with me your thoughts on what you think is going on here. So yeah, all right guys, well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in the next one. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And deuces. Yeah.